Well, in addition to fighting in Washington against that horrible initiative, the NRA is also currently has 2 California gun laws in its sights. And we got lawsuits everywhere. And it's working alongside the California Rifle and Pistol Association to hopefully administer the final blow to a law that was passed nearly 10 years ago by now Governor Gavin Newsom. He was lieutenant governor at the time. The first law is the ban that's on magazines that hold more than 10 rounds. There was a lot of discussion about this, by the way, at the time of the Borderline shooting, because that particular suspect was in possession of a magazine that they should not have been in possession of. Now, the other law is an edict requiring owners of the so-called, and just vast amounts of air quotes here, high-capacity magazines to either turn them in to the authorities, send them out of the state, or modify them so as to decrease the amount of rounds they can hold. Now, according to the San Francisco Chronicle, the final decision will most likely be decided by the Supreme Court if they take the case. Now, fortunately for gun owners, the court seems to have shown a newfound interest in protecting the Second Amendment. We talked about this yesterday with Guy Relford. It'll be very interesting to see what cases they do take and what cases they don't, and what level of scrutiny is applied. So this battle may be in relatively good hands, but just to reiterate, you should never, ever just leave it to the Supreme Court to fight or have the final word on the battles for you. You should always be engaging and being there on the ground level to make sure that it never gets to that point.